Preparation would have commenced in mid-August, and I think I probably can say that preparations have been going pretty well under the circumstances. Um, Clearly, we were faced with some challenges, but I think that the program that we have put in place in terms of the training days and the times that we have to train, it has gone down very well, and I think so far we have been able to get something out of the players. Clearly, we have a new program in place. This program would have been disrupted because of the absence of football from 2020. So the time period in which we have to work would have denied us the ability to really prepare the team to the fullest. But the stage at which they are at right now, I think it is sufficient enough for them to compete in this competition, because I'm sure that other schools would have been faced with a similar problem.
Preparation has been good over the summer. We've been here training very hard throughout the summer to prepare for the season. So I think we're good.
Yes, we would be ready. We would have known that the competition was going to be held, and we were very hopeful that it was going to start pretty soon. Started a bit later than we'd have expected, but we have to be ready for the competition.
We've been playing with each other, so there's a certain level of chemistry in the team and unity. So we're good.
It's a mixed group. Um, we probably would have retained about 5 players who would have played in 2019. But then again, we also have some 19-year-olds who would have been playing their first season this year. So that although they are mature in age, they clearly would be inexperienced with the competition. Of course, and the demands of the Manning Cup is as such that you really have to have the experience under your belt. But of course, I'm depending on their maturity to really carry them through. Clearly, Jamaica College is the one who's been hunted. So they are the defending champions, and of course, as usual, they always have a very good unit on the show. Of course, there are other teams, and the usual St. George's College, Calabar High, Excelsior. I'm really expecting the traditional schools to be really at the forefront of this competition. So I would expect Khalifa Richards, Gavin Burton, Jamon Barkley, and Christopher Pearson. Those are the main contenders. The main persons that would be looking to really, carry the mantle for the team.